My camera. Hey, can we turn this around? The camera around?
Yeah, just click it around the other way.
We can?
Or did I just... It's on and running.
Hey,
Hold on. Get out the way, Gary. Oh, get it, it's like, yeah. Okay, go.
ready?
Fire the hole! Don't worry about jerking him, just getting a different path and then we're going to get him started.
Ready? Have you ever seen the way Greg drives?
You guys are fucking high. Help! This is fucking not good. Fuck, put the brakes out.
He's turning like this. Look, they're over there with their camera too. They're waiting for the fire to fall off the trailer. It's because the guy in the car was screaming and we were pushing him.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, when I die, may not go to heaven. Hey, that was fun. Let's do it again.